Cross is a very good concept for tattoos. A number of people use the shape and the element of a tattoo because this is a shape that is famous all around the world. Maybe this is the most loved shape around the world. To present your love for religion and Christianity, you may love this video. In this video, we arranged some unique and special cross design for tattoos. So let's watch. Number 1. Cross with crest. You may have seen so many tattoos designed in your life that seems very complicated to you. However, today's tattoo design may seem more complicated for you. Looking at this tattoo design will remind you of your intricate tattoos. These tattoos depicts the Christian Holy Cross as well as a picture of Jesus Christ. The whole thing is revealing its religious concept. If you like cross design and you like complex tattoos a lot, then you can definitely try this tattoo. Only back has been used here. If you want to use your another colors, it will not be bad. Number 2. Cross on chest. This is one of the most attractive cross tattoos designed for girls. What you see in the video is not really a special design. However, we give place this design not for this shape, rather for placing. This placement is the most interesting. Girls do not usually wear any kind of clothes on the lower part of the neck. In that case, if a new tattoo is drawn on his part, it will catch everyone's eye. Since tattoos are made to enhance beauty, the tattoos on the chest will present you in a new way. If you do not like this tattoo design, then you can choose any other design. However, in the case of girls, this part of the chest is best for tattoos. If it is a cross tattoo, then it will be more interesting. Number 3. Thorny cross. The design you are watching here is special to me. Why this special need not to describe again. The cross is a symbol of purity and religion. If you love this design, then you may draw it on the back on your body. This is a very simple one for you, and also the shape has been here is really special. The thorn may be symbolizing the hardness of being a religious person at the present time. The main color of this tattoo is black. I think this is the perfect color for this tattoo. But if you love any other color, then you may use that in case of you. Number 4. Cross chain on hand. We have seen a number of tattoos idea that present cross, but among them, this one is impressive. I love this idea very much. If you also want to present your hands in a different way, then you may draw this on your hands. You might be thinking why this one is special for me. I think the cross with chain is not a new concept, but the placing is new. We have seen a number of crossing and chain tattoos around us, but most of the time they are on the neck. But this one is on the hands. You may try this one as a new concept of cross tattoo. Number 5. King and cross. The crown is the symbol of power and kingship. In the same way, the cross is the sign of Christianity and purity. If both mingle together, then it was express a meaning like Christianity is ruling. This tattoo will present you as a person who loves religion more and wants Christianity to rule the universe. The concept of this video is really impressive. You may take this one up any part of your body. The color is very impressive. You may take any other color that you like. Number 6. Wing cross with rose. I don't know the symbolic meaning of this tattoo. Here the wings and the rose have no real meaning that can be accepted universally. but I think the person draw this has some different attitude. As our intention is to present a unique and special design for you, that is why we bring this design for you. The wings and rose are completely different things themselves but get very impressive expression here. If you like unique design and shapes with the cross design, then you should be try this tattoo. The color may be red or any other based on your taste. Number 7. Cross and strength. The cross is now being used with different new shapes and the tagline in tattoos. One such evidence of this type of tattoos is in this part of the video. The concept I provide here is very much attractive and unique. If you love the unique design of tattoos and your own thoughts written in them, then this one is really adorable for you. The tagline of this tattoo is a popular word, strength. This word also has a very good meaning. You may try this tattoo for this tagline only. Those are some special and unique cross tattoo designed for you. I hope you love all this design. Will portray one on your body, as cross is a holy sign. You should place this tattoo on the chest, neck, hands or back. Avoid the lower parts of your body for cross design. This is the end of this video. I have some other unique and special designs for you. Continue watching those design also.